Everyone, so here's our schedule for next week. We're going to be completing lessons 9, 10, 11, and 13. After we complete lesson 11A, population growth, that'll actually already be the end of Unit 3, so you'll also have your Unit 3 wrap-up. This week I only want you to worry about your first attempt, so that way I can review them, and then I'll open that up for your second attempt. And I do want you to start looking at that end of semester project. I did also provide the link for our end of Unit 2 survey, so if you guys can also complete that, just because while I'm making this announcement, you guys are wrapping up your Unit 2. So next week, just make sure you fill that out, and then I'll put the end of Unit 3 survey out next week in that announcement, and we'll start getting this semester wrapped up. So again, we are doing 9AC, 10A, 11A, and then we'll be moving into Unit 4, which will start with Lesson 13A. So please make sure you guys are keeping up on all your assignments and reach out if you have any questions.